Unplugging the Mystery. Understanding Unplugged. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are going to explore an interesting English phrase, unplugged. By the end of this video, you'll have a good understanding of its meaning, its origins, and how to use it in your everyday conversations. The word unplugged literally means to disconnect something from a power source. Imagine you have a phone charger plugged into a wall socket. If you remove it, you have unplugged the charger. Over time, unplugged started being used in a more figurative sense. For example, in the world of music, an unplugged performance means the artist is performing with acoustic instruments, without any electronic amplification. These performances are often more intimate and raw, allowing the audience to experience the music in its purest form. In everyday language, when someone says they are unplugging or taking an unplugged day, it often means they are taking a break from electronic devices, especially from the internet and social media. It's a way of saying they are stepping back from the digital world to reconnect with the real world around them. To help you better grasp its usage, here are some example sentences. 1. I'm feeling overwhelmed, so I'm taking an unplugged weekend away from all my devices. 2. The concert last night was amazing. It was an unplugged session, so we could hear the raw beauty of the instruments. 3. Sometimes, it's essential to unplug from the noise of the world and find a quiet space. There you have it. Unplugged can refer to both the literal act of disconnecting something from its power source and the figurative idea of stepping back from technology or performing acoustically. Remember, language is always evolving, and the beauty of English is in its ability to capture modern ideas with new meanings. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay curious, and keep learning.